Here's how to add confetti to your ConvertKit page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click on the black button that says Copy Code. Now, go to ConvertKit and then on the main menu, choose Grow, then Landing Page and Forms. To get to the thank you page, select the landing page you want to edit. In this example, I'll be using the Centennial landing page. Click on the Thank You Page tab on top of your screen. And please note, please disregard the content you are seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. For our next step, select any block and then click on the Circle Plus button that appears on its left. Select HTML block, which is this one. Once the HTML block is added, click on the Edit button, and this will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier. Or use the text shortcut Control V for Windows or Command V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted, click Save. Also click on the Save button right here on the upper right corner. Click Publish, then copy the link provided. To see the confetti animation in action, test out this link that we just copied by going to a new tab and filling out the form for the landing page. If you followed all the steps I provided, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.